Welcome to Valmet Service Centers in Sweden, where we proudly serve fiber customers globally.
Hi, I'm Stefan Lindqvist and I'm the workshop manager here in Service Center in Sundsvall. Our workshop are specialized in recondition and upgrades on fiber equipments.
Even those not originally manufactured by Valmet. From the moment your equipment arrives until it leaves, we ensure top-notch quality and timely deliveries by meticulously monitoring each step of the reconditioning process. Our main products include twin-roll press rolls, refiners, and various types of bearing units. We also provide maintenance and support services for equipment from other industries. Before delivering our refiners, we conduct comprehensive test runs and detailed bearing analyses to guarantee optimal performance. We help you maintain high operation reliability and extend the lifespan of your equipment. Our exchange units are readily available to minimize your downtime.
Hi, I'm Jonas Larsson and I'm excited to welcome you to Valmet's Service Center here in Karlstad.
Here we specialize in reconditioning top separator screws, screens, feeders, outlet devices, and providing comprehensive upgrade services. Cooking and fiberline equipment require periodic reconditioning and guaranteed availability of spare parts. Scheduled maintenance in our workshops also provides an excellent opportunity to take the equipment features to the next level. Choosing reconditioning over manufacturing new equipment significantly reduces CO2 emissions and minimizes environmental impact by using less steel. With Valmet's extensive industry experience, we ensure high-quality reconditioning and timely delivery, guaranteeing your satisfaction. We hope you enjoyed this brief visit. We look forward to welcoming you to our service centers and helping you find the best service solutions for your needs.